Hello Capricorn, welcome to Kakao's Hideout. I am Kakao Konemi. So for today's video, I'm going to do a 30-day forecast for you. This is a general reading, by the way. If it doesn't resonate, please do not take the message, okay? For paid personal readings, check the description box below. Diyan nyo po ako makokontak. Okay, this is 1, 2, and 3. Pause the video if you need more time, and we will proceed. Okay. Okay. If you have chosen number 1, Capricorn, let's see. For number 1, for the next 30 days, meron kang bagong achievement na parang advantage ng pamilya mo. This is something out of moving forward or moving on from a very toxic situation or person. Pwedeng si Queen of Swords reversed, nilayuan mo na, pwedeng friend mo to, fake friend, pwede ring ex mo na, hiniwalayan mo na kasi sobrang toxic, tapos isa-celebrate ng family mo na parang finally, you let go of that biatch. Pero pwede ring situation to, like maybe na-scam ka ni Queen of Swords or inutangan ka ni Queen of Swords, di mo masingil-singil, but you can move on from that now kasi maybe nagbayad na, maybe nakasuhan na, or maybe na-retrieve mo na yung pinagkatiwala mo sa kanya, and your family is going to celebrate na parang finally na-achieve mo na yan, nagawan mo ng paraan. Anyway, what do you need to focus on right now? Wheel of Fortune, bagong perspective, bagong situation, bagong relationship, if that may be the case. Pero parang this is something na parang urong-sulong ka regarding this change. Parang you want it, at the same time you're scared of it. You want it but you're anxious about it, kung anong kalalabasan. I'm being drawn to the Gemini. So maybe merong something about Gemini na parang kailangan mong isipin. Pwedeng may in-advise sa'yo si Gemini, pwedeng may pinropose sa'yo si Gemini na parang you're excited about it, pero what if something fails, or what if hindi mag-work. Anyway, try mo pa rin kesa mas stuck ka sa same situation, same energy. Parang at least if this is relocation, if this is a new job, if this is a new career path, at least may possibility na may makilala kang panibagong tao, panibagong acquaintances, and possible friends. Or in your case, kasi parang nasasagap ko, ex to si Queen of Swords, maybe a new love interest. And if you're going to do that, possible outcome, 7 of Pentacles, you will cross the bridge when you get there. Kumbaga, kung ano man yon, it will be something na bago na madideal mo pagdating ng panahon. Pero yun nga, kailangan magkaroon ng change sa situation para magkaroon ng panibagong perspective and panibagong mga kakilala at panibagong energy within your circle. Okay? So there. That's for you, number 1. Let's proceed kay number 2. If you have chosen number 2 for the next 30 days, 6 of Pentacles reversed, King of Wands reversed, may nangutang sa'yo, hindi pa rin nagbabayad. Medyo napupuno ka na ata kasi King of Wands, this is someone who can use their passion to their advantage. Pag King of Wands in reverse, ito yung wala akong pakialam, sisingilin kita ngayon, onde masasaktan ka, something like that. Very unruly na yung emotions. Now, what do you need to focus on? Wag ka munang gumanti ngayon. Not now, not just yet. Medyo dominated pa ng galit yung isip mo. Especially if meron ding possibility rin kasi na magbayad na, pero nagdadalawang isip lang kasi medyo galit ka na nga. Now, bottom of the deck is 5 of Pentacles reversed. Do not allow anyone to interfere with the way you're going to deal with this person or with this situation. Parang mas magfa-flourish, magkakaroon ng result itong paniningil na to if you do it on your own. Hindi yung may incorporate kang ibang tao. Okay? Anyway, that's all I'm seeing here. So, pakalmahin mo muna yung sarili mo, tapos tsaka ka mag-strategize kung paano mo siya mapapagbayad. Huwag kang gumawa ng anything na hasty or rushed. na hindi pinag-isipan, baka yun pang dahilan kaya hindi ka mabayaran. Okay? Number 2. For number 2, for the next 30 days, Seven of Pentacles reverse, kung hindi mo daw alam yung gagawin mo, pray, meditate, and accept na not everything can be answered by practicality. So maybe spiritual surrender then can also help. And also there's something that you need to clear off of your mind by surrendering it to the Lord, na parang mas magiging mabilis if hindi ikaw ang gagalaw, kundi si Lord. Okay, so pray, meditate, and self-reflect din, kasi baka ikaw rin nag-inflict ng gulo na to sa'yo or ng confusion na to sa sarili mo. So try to be more accountable din sa mga possible na ginawa mo dati na nagbibigay ng consequences na to. Anyway, focus on self-confidence and giving yourself another chance. Don't be too hard on yourself. It doesn't mean na you failed once, you're going to fail over and over again. Who knows, baka bad timing lang yun, or baka meron kang hindi na na account na kailangan gawin, and this time alam mo na, so try mo lang din daw again. Especially if this is something na you'd rather want to take on as soon as possible, and you're very passionate about this. Okay? So pray pag may time. Actually not pag may time, make time na mag-pray. Okay, Capricorn, that's for you. Again, for paid personal readings, just send me a private message on my nasa description box, okay? That'll be all. Bye!